Okay, Caveman originally thought air quality monitor was rich human gadget for people who also own smart water bottle. Then Caveman tested this thing. Now Caveman opening windows like survival instinct activated. This little Aeronet 4 monitor tracks CO2 levels, temperature, humidity, and indoor air quality basically in real time. And honestly, results kind of disturbing. Turns out humans spend entire day trapped inside stale air soup, slowly turning brain into mashed potato. Ever sit in office meeting and suddenly feel sleepy for no reason? Caveman thought problem was Greg talking about quarterly metrics again. Maybe partly carbon dioxide too. What make this gadget good is simplicity. Big, easy to read, e-ink display. Battery lasts forever. Portable enough to move room to room. No giant, glowing sci-fi nonsense permanently attached to wall. Caveman respect low maintenance technology. And once tribes start checking different rooms, things get interesting fast. Bedroom with door closed overnight. CO2 climate. Tiny office with no airflow. Brutal. Classroom full of humans breathing same air for 6 hours. Caveman genuinely concerned for civilization. The app also tracks data history, which honestly turns air quality into a weird little science experiment. Humans love watching graphs when graphs reveal potential suffering. Now, downside, this definitely more practical nerd gadget than exciting flashy tech toy. Nobody throwing party because Greg brought CO2 monitor. But usefulness actually real. Especially if tribe work indoors all day, homeschool kids care about sleep quality, headaches, focus, or just want to know whether cave air slowly destroying tribe energy levels. Honestly, one of those products Caveman expected to mock, but ended up respecting. Link in description if tribe want check it out. Subscribe for more Amazon finds for primitive minds. And maybe open window once in a while. Ancestors invented fresh air for reason.